Hi guys! Welcome to Creative Mind YouTube channel with another Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create Paper Cutout Effect in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, make a copy of image layer and hide it for now. Now make a new copy and place the layer between the layers. Now select Brush tool. Brush link is in description. Now create clipping mask of upper layer and unhide it. Now go to Image menu, then Adjustments, then select Desaturate. Now make another new layer and place it between the layers. Here we go. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.